So over the evening, DJI had released or announced the Phantom 4 Pro V2. We've seen images of this drone before, so this shouldn't come as a surprise that we would finally see it, but I don't know if I can be shocked by anything that DJI does anymore. Let's talk about this drone. What's up everybody, welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. I'm Original Dobo. If you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of this video. DJI has announced a successor version 2.0 Phantom 4 recycle version, I don't know. It's a $1,400, $1,500 drone for the base version. If you choose to go with the RC screen with the 1000 nit 1080p brightness, you are looking at $1,799, but guess what? There's more. It gets better. You get free shipping. I'm kidding. I'm totally kidding. I'm sure you'll pay for the shipping somewhere in the cost. So what do you get with the Phantom 4 version 2.0 plus or any version? Well, you get brand new props. That's right. For $1,700, you get props that are 60% quieter, so your wife doesn't know you spent $1,700 on a drone that's been out for almost 2 years. Not only that, you were getting 30 minutes of flight time, which is amazing, and you were getting OcuSync technology, because flying your drone plus having somebody else maybe sit with the goggles or wirelessly attached goggles, DJI goggles, is super important for $1,700. I really gotta love how DJI sort of puts this out here in just such an Apple-esque way. I mean, this is Apple, but for drones. So they do the HDR comparisons for the camera. By the way, the camera is the same as you will find on the Phantom 4 Pro and the Phantom 4 Advanced. They compared the HDR, but they compared it to the Phantom 4. If you're going to compare it to anything, compare it to last year's Phantom 4 Pro and tell me that it's got better dynamic range and you've updated the Sony processor for a better one. You still get a 20 megapixel sensor, and that's all well and good, and it may sound like I'm totally hating on this drone, and I am, but it's just not something that I would be like, I have to run out and go get. If you already have a Phantom 4 Pro or a Phantom 4 Advanced, absolutely take a pass on this. Go on Amazon when finally or whenever these props become available and upgrade your props. Hopefully there's no issues with that. But on the surface, this just looks like a very, very small, teeny upgrade. I mean, OcuSync is huge. Yeah, it's great to have OcuSync on the Phantom 4, but it's not something that you have to run out tomorrow and go get. I don't know. This is weird, very weird. I would be really mad if I was one of the people that decide to buy this drone and then all of a sudden P5 launches or maybe Mavic Air. I mean, again, you can wait forever for the next thing to come out, but still so weird. Anyways, that's my 2 cents on the Phantom 4 Pro 2.0. What a name. What a name. Why not call it something cool like Platinum, or I don't know, like you did it with the Mavic. Come on, guys. Your name and schematic sucks, but the dynamic range chart and everything is hilarious. So anyways, that's going to do it for today's video. If you enjoyed, hit the like button. If you didn't, that other button is obviously working just fine. As always, guys, I want to thank you for being part of my channel. Stay original. I'll see you next time. Phantom 4 2.0. This is silly.